Hello, it's Jakob from FMGX. Today I'm going to show you what I'm taking on my 4,600 kilometer bikepacking trip. The bike I already showed you in the other video. Okay, let's start with the sleeping gear. I will take a hammock, a thermal pad, a self-made tarp and an inlet, some stakes, some extra lining just in case something breaks. I got new ones, so this is left over. I will take two kits. Always wearing one, my heart rate monitor, light compressible rain jacket, the down jacket if it gets cold. I will take two leggings because if I need one, I might also need the other one. So if I need one during the day because it's raining or it's very cold, I will want to get out of the wet pants in the evening and put some dry long clothes on for sleeping. One boxer short, 4 pairs of socks so I don't have to wash every day, a short sleeve base layer and a long sleeve base layer. It's mid-May, mid-June, you never know, it can be very summer-like, very warm. Also some days might be still pretty cold, so that's why I have to take quite a lot of clothes. One pair of cycling shoes, SPD SL, because I will be mainly cycling and I think that's way more comfortable than SPD. Tools, a spare inner tube and tire levers. Then this full-size wrench, a small pump and a spoon. I mean, that's not, a tool for eating. My hygiene products are missing 2 pieces actually at the moment. I have this sanitizer gel, painkillers, just in case something happens, but I will probably just take 1 or 2 of these. A full-size toothbrush, a file for my nails, toothpaste, a razor, and also a couple of medical masks, and I need a piece of soap and maybe some sunscreen, a small tube. Now the bags, I just made this bag yesterday, a 200 gram backpack. I mainly have it as a backup to carry food for Sundays, or if the sleeping gear is wet in the morning, I can just throw it in the backpack, and when I have breakfast and the sun comes out, I pull everything out, let it dry and then put it in the proper bags so I don't have to stuff it when it's wet and make everything inside of the bags wet too. So that's what this is for. This frame bag, I still have some days, so I might try to make a full frame bag if I get the time to sew another bag. Otherwise I will also have to take this handlebar roll. I think it's okay because now I have this road bike brake levers, so it shouldn't bother me too much. Then just a small saddlebag, top tube bag for snacks, and that's it. Maybe I will take a drink bladder like this, or I will need to get a bottle cage that I can fit on there. The one I have here is kind of fucked up, I need a new one. And other than that, it's just a bunch of electronics. So my head unit showing me the path where I want to go. A set of lights, just in case I want to do a night ride or I have to ride during the dark. Then this gets mounted to the bike, that's my charger. Combined with the dynamo hub, this charges all my devices. A small power bank just as a buffer between the charger and the electronics. I will take the GoPro that I just got from justRoadbikes. He gave me his old GoPro, which is amazing. I think I will get some way better footage from on the bike now. A weird selfie stick, I will try it. Maybe it helps getting some nice shots. A couple of spare batteries and chargers. Cables, I also need to take the cables. My small point and shoot camera, the Sony RX104. This tiny lock, just for going to the supermarket for 5 minutes. Yeah, and a phone. I probably will have to get a new phone because the battery of this one lasts only about 6 to 8 hours. That might be annoying to always worry if there's still battery if I have to use the phone. I think that should be everything, and I didn't miss anything. I probably won't upload this before I leave, but in case you think I missed something, just leave me a comment. Maybe I can arrange to find it on the way. I will put everything on the bike and then show you how it looks on. I forgot one essential thing, my sleeping bag. Wait, I will get it. This looks super big, but it compresses down to, it fits in here. I need my ID and my bank card and probably some coins for ice cream. But other than that, I guess I have everything and hope that I didn't miss out on something important. Okay, this is how it could look like on a warm day. I basically have all the sleeping gear in here, long clothes in here, and all in the front is electronics basically. This is not connected yet. Socks and my hygiene stuff in the handlebar bag. My head unit is mounted on the stem. This stuff I would be wearing or carrying on my body, like camera, phone. On a warm day I will have to carry some things in the small backpack, my rain jacket, the warm jacket, and some small things like the pump and the spare tube are in here, so I don't have to search them somewhere there in case I need them. But yeah, that's basically it. That's all I'm taking. I mean, full frame bag would be nice because like this, that's really chaotic in there. It would give me just some extra space. I could take some things out there because I don't really like having too much weight in the back. I think I won't make any changes to this and will leave at the end of the week with this setup. I hope to see some of you on the streets. If you want to support my trip, there is a money pool. I put the link in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Then I will be back in about 3 to 4 weeks maybe. See you on the streets. Ciao!